come to take her away. I don't know if Aaron wants this on the net or not, so we may not put it up. That was for Dad. Oops, let's go around here so we don't get people in the vlog. That's your baby. Say bye to your baby.
Bye.
We'll see about getting her back. I know you're sad. Show your sad face.
Yeah, I did.
Show your sad face. Oh.
That's funny.
Oh, I know, honey. I know. Oh, there it goes. Just had new fucking tires put on it too, man.
And I just got gas.
Son of a bitch.
I just got, like, the
You
Tom
just
Thumb that's
got gas?
right next to Arnold.
Yeah?
Got gas there.
You got gas there? I got gas this morning.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Alright, well there's the car. Bye car, we'll see you later.